grade 1 Grace. Today we will be teaching you heat and light energy. Trivia time! Did you know heat and light are both forms of energy? Heat is kinetic energy, energy of motion from particles, while light is electromagnetic energy, and both can transform into each other like a hot object glows. And you know what? The sun is the main source of Earth's heat. Its light and heat could make a fire. It's called concentrated heat. Using a magnifying glass, you can make fire from the concentrated heat from both energy of light and heat. Concentrated heat. When sunlight is focused onto a small area, the energy, heat, and light is concentrated, leading to a significant increase in temperature at that point.